If you're working with a tight countertop, this roundup is for you. Today we're counting down the best espresso machine for small kitchen, focusing on compact designs that still deliver cafe-style results. If something catches your eye, you can explore it further through the links in the video description. In fifth place, we have the Lavazza Classy Mini Espresso Machine, a compact capsule-based brewer built around simplicity and repeatable flavor. It works with Lavazza blue capsules and uses a manual lever rather than a motorized piston, which keeps the mechanics straightforward and supports long-term durability. Heat up is quick at about 30 seconds, and it pulls espresso or lungo in roughly 26 seconds with 9-bar extraction that produces a dense, cafe-like crema around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. 2 programmable sizes help you match your morning routine, and the removable water reservoir and capsule drawer make refilling and cleanup easy. The footprint is small enough for a crowded counter, or even to move between home and office, and descaling is as simple as running solution through the system. Do note the water tank can be a bit fiddly to reinsert, and there may be a slight post-brew drip, but the trade-off is a fast, tidy capsule setup that suits ultra-compact kitchens. Coming in at number 4 is the SHARDOR Espresso Machine with touchscreen, a compact semi-automatic system that blends modern controls with capable extraction. A 20-bar pump paired with a 1350-watt motor delivers rich espresso, while NTC precision temperature control lets you choose among 3 brew settings to match taste and roast. The LED touchscreen streamlines the workflow: one-touch single or double, manual mode for dialing in, steam, descaling, and an auto shut-off after 15 minutes to cut energy use between shots. A professional steam one creates creamy microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos, and the stainless steel housing looks at home in a modern apartment kitchen. The 45-ounce removable water tank and detachable drip tray keep maintenance practical without hogging space. A small caveat is that serving temperatures may not always run very hot out of the spouts, but the top-mounted cup warmer helps by preheating cups so your shot holds its heat better in a compact setup. At number 3, you'll find the Gevi Espresso Machine with Steam Wand, a compact 20-bar system designed to bring cafe drinks into everyday kitchens without the wait. Its 1350-watt thermoblock heats fast, so you can brew and steam in roughly 25 to 45 seconds, ideal when your counter space is limited and mornings are busy. NTC temperature control manages both coffee and milk for balanced extraction and steady froth, supporting everything from a quick single shot to a creamy flat white. You get presets for single, double, or manual control to tailor volume and strength, and the included 51mm portafilter, filters, and scoop tamper make it ready right out of the box. The detachable water tank and drip trays simplify cleaning, and the stainless steel finish adds a durable, neat look in a small footprint. While some components feel lighter than higher-end machines and long-term reliability may vary, the 1-year warranty with lifetime technical support adds peace of mind for compact kitchens. Taking the second spot is the Atatix Compact Espresso Maker, a versatile semi-automatic machine that fits comfortably on small counters while offering flexible brewing. Its 1350-watt motor and 20-bar pressure pump delivers strong extraction with a stable crema, and the NTC system keeps water temperature consistent shot after shot. You can run automatic brewing, about 28 seconds for a single shot of 25 to 40 grams, or 42 seconds for a double of 55 to 85 grams when you want to fine-tune concentration. The steam wand produces microfoam suited for cappuccinos and lattes, and the stainless steel top doubles as a cup warmer. Practical touches include a detachable water tank, removable drip tray, and 4 silicone suction cups to keep the machine steady on a small surface. Construction is BPA-free ABS and steel for easy maintenance. It can run a bit noisy, but the compact size and flexible modes make it a strong fit for small kitchens that still want customization. And finally, at number 1, the QJA Espresso Machine with touchscreen stands out as a compact semi-automatic system designed to deliver cafe-style results with minimal effort. A 20-bar Italian pump and 1400-watt boiler provide robust extraction, and the pre-infusion function evenly soaks the grounds for smoother, more balanced flavor. The LED touch display offers programmable brew times, an intuitive interface for switching between espresso and steaming, and even a cold extraction mode when you want a different profile. The steam wand includes a removable nozzle for easier cleaning, doubles as a hot water dispenser, and helps create dense foam for milk drinks. With a 57.5-ounce detachable water tank and removable drip tray, it supports multiple back-to-back drinks without constant refills, handy when counter space is limited but you're serving a few people. Stainless steel construction gives it a modern look, and a built-in noise reduction feature helps keep the kitchen calm. You'll want to be mindful when reinserting the water tank and with the overheating protection, but the balance of power, programmability, and easy care earns it the top spot for compact counters at home or in a small office. To recap, the Lavazza Classy Mini keeps things ultra-simple with capsules. SHARDOR adds touchscreen control in a compact form. Gevi brings fast heat-up and flexible presets, Atatix layers on automatic and manual extraction options, and QJH tops the list with pre-infusion, a thoughtful touch display, and maintenance-friendly design. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video, subscribing, and turning on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. For the models featured today, you can find more details through the links in the description.